So now that we have our YouTube extension installed, when we do a search in incognito, I did Midjourney, let's redo it again, you will see that your screen is full of stuff. So the first thing that I want you to do is to go here where it says search panel and to toggle off that section of the Vidiq extension. So you should be left with this one, enable inline keywords, don't look at it yet. And for each video that YouTube is showing you, you should see additional data next to additional data in the video. So the first one is you have a number 15 VPH. So what does VPH stands for? It stands for views per hour. So since that video was produced 2 months ago, it's averaging 15 views per hour. The third number that you have is 8.3 times X. It means that that video is performing the channel average video 8 times. Remix, don't worry about this right now. Let's look at the second video. This one is 35 views per hour. It's outperforming the average channel average video 88 times. Here you can also see that Vidiq gives you directly on this page the total number of subscribers. Beforehand you would have to click there, go on the channel and have a look at how many subscribers it had. And this is repeated for all the videos that you have, so on and so forth. So how can we use that? Well, the first thing is it gives us the opportunity to see. To me, the very first important thing is how big is the channel compared to its relative position in this order. So here we have a channel that has 34k subscribers and a video 36k view. Here comparatively, we have a channel with 302k subscribers, but is managed 2.1 million view. Here, 334 subscribers, only in quote 176,000 views, and you can see, for instance, this video from this channel, for lack of better word, tanked. 3.32 million subscribers, only 25k view. It cost them a lot of money to make that video and the return is not great. You can also see that this video was made 2 months ago, 36 views. This one was done a year ago, 2 million views. 5 months ago, 175. 2 weeks ago, 12k views. But like we said, 130k subscribers, 12k is relatively short. 1 month ago, 3.32 million subscribers, 25k view. 60.28k subscribers, 77.2k views 2 days ago, and you can carry on. Why do you want to do this? You want to check to see if relatively small or beginner channel are able to rank on YouTube for that keyword. So here, 34k compared to 302 is a tenth, compared to somebody who has 3 million is 100 times smaller, and that channel, which is 100 times smaller, has done more views than this one. This is 1 month old and the first one is 2 months old. So the logic to say that, well, you won't rank number one if you're not a channel with millions of views isn't totally accurate. Let's click on this one. Sorry for that. And you will see that we have more data from Vidiq, especially this one here, all this. So let's look at it. So this is the #1 video in incognito mode for the keyword Midjourney. So here you have your Vidiq content and you have a toggle button. You can click it here. It will collapse everything and you will see basically the normal YouTube display. And if you toggle open, you will see everything there. So what do we have? We have views, we have overview, and AI Coach. AI Coach is a feature that is best used in the paid Vidiq. So I will focus on views and overviews. So we are currently on views. We have engagement. So a measure of discovered engagement as a percentage of total views. You can look at it and say, right, as this video is getting older, what is the way people interact with it? Do they like it? Do they not? It's a relatively obscure kind of statistics. I personally don't really pay attention to it. It tells us that this video is an outlier, like we saw in the page before, 8.3 times better than the average videos on the channel, and there are 15.4 people watching it per hour. So let's have a calculator. 15.4, so let's say 15 per hour, 24 hours, 360 views per day, and let's multiply that by 30, 10,000 views per month on average. Now, we can also look at how the video performed the first 24 hours. And in a shaded area here, you can see that this is the typical view count that this channel gets for any videos that are published, and that's within the first 24 hours. So these videos outperform drastically the typical channel view numbers that it has. 7 days, you can see same in the first 28 days. It's obvious that that video is really hitting hard with people who are searching for Midjourney or Midjourney tutorial. And if you click all, it will show you the data for that video throughout the entire life of the video. It will also show you the different thumbnail changes that have occurred throughout the history of the video, and you know now YouTube allows you to test thumbnails. So that's what Vidiq is telling you here. And lastly, it is showing you changes in title. Now, this is really interesting because you can see its original title was Midjourney tutorial, and afterwards it was changed to Midjourney AI tutorial. So he must have done some search using Vidiq, I'm pretty sure, and thought, okay, this keyword here will give me better traction than this one here. And if you look, we have a dip here, and that dip might be the change. You see, here you have the title is Midjourney tutorial. Let's put 7 days. Midjourney tutorial at the start, and then where the dip occurs, the title was changed. And you can see here that the title was changed. So you can use that information and realize yourself that actually that video performs better with that. Therefore, there's no point for me to try another title. If I want to make the same video, I will use that title directly. And we can do that with another video. Let's use that one. This channel is really good. This guy does great video. I really like him, and I like the way he presents. So I would recommend watch this video, and if you're not sub to this guy. So same thing, views, overview. I realized that I didn't present the overview on the other one, so let's go back. Views, engagement, again, I don't look at it very much. Outlier, this video is performing 3.2 times better than the average. 34 views per hour. First 24 hours, that video did not perform nearly as well as its typical video performance. First 7 days, again, just about bottom typical. First 28 days, slightly starting to perform better, and over time this is something brilliant, it's the growth. That's what you want to see. That video only had one thumbnail and 3 title changes. So let's have a look. Master Midjourney, full website, full guide, every feature explained. Master Midjourney website, full guide, every new feature explained. And then a day later, Master Midjourney updated beginner to advanced course. And that's the title that is decided to stick with. Again, search of keyword that he must have done with Vidiq or something else. But let's look at overview. So this is about the channel as a whole. It gives you the number of video, how old the channel is. So the channel is 2 years old, 334k subscribers, a total of 17.2 million views, and you can see this is growing steadily. There are no controversial words for this video. This is important because if you want AdSense, some advertiser will not accept certain controversial keyword. It has a Vidiq score. These are features that you can access through the full-blown Vidiq app. You can have Reddit engagement, channel tags, you can add that on when you custom your channel. Video tags, you can do that when you upload your video on YouTube and you're in your studio. And Vidiq has a facility where you can it can suggest tags for you. So again, you can see that the video tags are not random. They are related to Midjourney, and those tags I know are also keywords, and you can find them with the extension. And you can do that for every single video, and that's the basic thing that you can do with Vidiq extension without starting to use the search panel.